Hello, my fantastic friends. Welcome to Game Day. I am so excited to have you here with me today to play such a fun alphabet game. This game is going to help you with your letters and the sounds that they make. It is called the ABC Mystery Game. And inside my mystery box, I have a whole bunch of surprises, 26 surprises, that I'm going to pull out and I'm going to place on my mystery box game board. So much fun. So how we play is when we pull out a surprise from our box, we're going to listen to the beginning sound of what the surprise is, and then we're going to find the letter that matches with that sound. Did you hear something? I think I hear my special friend, and that was his excited sound. Urkel, are you excited about something? I am so excited to play the mystery alphabet game. I thought that you would be because this is all about sounds and letters, and I know how much you love sounds and letters. Oh, let's play. Okay, Urkel, let's get started. All right, my friends, are you ready to play the alphabet mystery box game? So remember the rules. We pull a surprise out of our mystery box, and then depending on what the beginning sound of the surprise is, we find the letter that makes that sound, and that's where we put our surprise. Here we go. This is a van. What letter makes the V sound? Letter V. Let's go on to our next one. I have a pie. What letter makes the P sound? P. This is a duck. What letter makes the D sound? D. This is a special car called a Jeep. What letter makes the J sound? That's J. Next up is a animal. This is called a goat. What letter makes the G sound? G. Next up is, this is kind of a squishy one. This is an instrument called a xylophone. Now, even though it starts with the Z sound, it's actually spelled X with an X at the beginning. Our next one is a kite. What letter makes the K sound? Well, that can actually be two letters, can't it? It can be a C or a K, like in cat, or in this surprise right here is a kite, so it's spelled with a K. That was a tricky one. Ooh, a sea animal with 8 legs is an octopus. That's a vowel sound. Our vowel O has 2 sounds. It can make the O sound or the A sound, like an octopus. Ooh, one of our favorite fruits is a watermelon. W makes the what sound? What is going to be next? Ooh, Mr. Sun, Mr. Golden Sun. Sun makes the S sound. Ooh, umbrella. Umbrella, another vowel. You can make the U sound or the sound, like in umbrella. Let's see, what's next? This is a special toy, goes up and down, called a yo-yo. Yo-yo starts with the Y sound. Oh, black and white animal is a zebra. Zebra starts with the letter Z. Are you getting them so far? Got a lot so far, huh? Ooh, fun. This is a bike. What letter makes the b sound? Letter B. Next up is a yummy cookie. Cookie. We already know that K made this sound, and the other letter that makes this sound is C. Next up is this is something that you use outside that has water that comes out of it to water your plants. It is a hose. This is a hose. It makes the H sound. Let's see. Ooh, this is a mailbox. What letter makes the sound? Letter M. Oh, how cute. Little tiny turtle. Turtle. What letter makes the T sound? T. Very good. Next, we have another animal that lives in the ocean. It is a fish. Fish. What letter makes the F sound? Let's swim to it. Woo! Letter F. Next this is something you don't see very often anymore. It's called a radio. This is what we used to listen to music. Radio. What makes the sound? What letter makes the sound? Radio. It is R. Oh, this is teeny tiny, but not in real life. It's not teeny tiny. It's a big alligator. Alligator starts with the letter A, which is another vowel. I love vowels because vowels are what we need to make and spell words. A makes two sounds, A and A, like in alligator. Ooh, look at this little guy. Now you could say it's a bird, but we already have a picture for B. This is a special type of bird called a quail. What letter makes the qu sound? Qu. Let's fly to it. Whoosh. Q for qu. Ooh, this is what we see when we go to climates that are very, very cold. People take shelter in an igloo. Igloo, another vowel. Where's the other vowel? Igloo. I can make the I sound or the I sound. Okay, guys, we have 3 more pictures to do. 3 more surprises to do. Ooh, this is a nest. What makes the N sound? And makes the N sound. Nest. Okay, next up, ooh, yummy, breakfast food. Egg. make the eh sound or the e sound. Two sounds for our vowels. Last up is a type of insect. We only have one letter left. It's a ladybug. Let's crawl to it. Creepy crawly. Shoop, 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 shoop. Yay! Great job doing our alphabet mystery box. So much fun. So Urkel, what did you think of the ABC mystery box game? That was like the funnest game I have ever played. I always loved letters, but I never knew that they could be so much fun. I know, wasn't it awesome? Why do you look so sad though now? Well, I don't have a mystery box to take home with me and play again, so I'm a little bit sad because I would love to have one to take home with me. Well, you know what? I had an idea for you, and I also have an idea for all of our friends at home, because as we were playing the mystery box game, I was thinking, what a great idea it would be if you have little toys and surprises of your own at home, and then you could go around your house and you could collect them, and you could make your own board game just out of paper or poster board, whatever you have, and put all your ABCs on there. And then you can put the objects that you find in your house and whatever beginning sound they have, you could put them on your mystery box board, your game board. And if maybe there's a letter that you can't find, then you could just draw a picture of it. So you could make your own mystery box game and play with your family. What a great idea. Oh, friends, would you please subscribe to Miss Honey's Classroom so we can play more games and learn more fun things together? Thank you, friends. Thank you, Urkel. Have a good day, friends. Bye-bye.